Hey, Scott, Activision Blizzard's pay proposal is one we've been keeping a close eye on ever since the company delayed its results for the vote on its pay packages. We just got those results moments ago, and shareholders did indeed vote in favor of the pay packages, including that of CEO Bobby Kotick, which amounted to about $155 million. The company saying in a statement that they are pleased that based on exceptional shareholder returns and responsiveness, Activision Blizzard shareholders again approved their say-on-pay proposal and re-elected the board of directors. Now, I'm told that it was approved with 54% shareholder support. The company goes on to say that additional time, the week after their annual meeting was held last Monday, that shareholders requested allowed them to thoroughly review the facts about Activision Blizzard's rigorous pay for performance compensation practices, as well as changes the board made to its executive compensation based on extensive feedback from shareholders. But nonetheless, it was a close vote. 54% of shareholders supported these pay packages for its say-on-pay proposal. Scott, back over to you.